Are you looking for the best drone for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best drone for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. S91 4K Drone. The S91 4K drone appears to be a professional-grade quadcopter equipped with advanced features for a heightened flying experience. Its 4K camera capability promises high-quality aerial footage, while obstacle avoidance technology adds an extra layer of safety to your flying adventures. The inclusion of dual cameras suggests versatility in capturing different perspectives. With RC, remote control, capabilities and FPV, first-person view, through 5G Wi-Fi, users can enjoy real-time monitoring and control over a long range. This drone seems to blend functionality with entertainment, making it not just a tool for professionals but also a toy for enthusiasts. The combination of features like obstacle avoidance and long-range remote control positions the S91 4K drone as a promising device for both recreational and professional drone pilots. Number 2. KFOR Z908 Drone. Sure, let's break down the KFOR Z908 drone. This mini powerhouse is designed for professional aerial photography, boasting a 4K camera that captures stunning visuals from the sky. As a quadcopter, it offers stability and control, essential for capturing those perfect shots. The FPV, first-person view, feature adds an immersive touch to your flying experience, allowing you to see what the drone sees in real time. Avoidance technology is a game changer, helping the drone steer clear of obstacles and ensuring a smooth flight. This not only protects your investment but also enhances safety during operation. The inclusion of VR goggles takes the experience up a notch, providing an even more engaging perspective as you navigate the drone through the skies. Number 3. Mini 4 Drone. The Mini 4 drone is a compact and versatile quadcopter designed for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Its standout features include dual cameras capable of capturing high-quality footage in both 1080p and 4K HD, providing users with a variety of recording options. The integration of Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, enhances the drone flying experience by allowing real-time transmission of video feeds to a connected device. The drone's foldable design adds to its portability, making it convenient for users who are always on the go. Optical flow localization technology ensures stable flight performance, contributing to smooth and controlled maneuvers. Additionally, the obstacle avoidance feature enhances safety during flights, preventing collisions with objects in its path. Number 4. XD8 Mini Drone 4K. The XD8 Mini Drone 4K seems like quite the compact powerhouse. With a professional HD camera, it's ready to capture high-quality footage, and the added perk of Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, lets you experience the thrill of flight in real time. The foldable design makes it portable and convenient, perfect for on-the-go adventures. The inclusion of LED lights adds a touch of flair and aids in visibility during both day and night flights. It's not just a tool for enthusiasts, it's versatile enough to serve as a camera-free kids' toy, doubling up as a fun and educational gift. Whether you're a drone hobbyist or looking for an exciting gift option, the XD8 Mini Drone 4K seems to have all the right features to soar above expectations. Number 5. E88 4K Drone. The E88 4K drone, also known as the E88 Pro drone, is a cutting-edge quadcopter designed for professional aerial photography and recreational flying. Its standout feature is the high-quality 10K wide-angle camera, capable of capturing stunning images and videos with exceptional detail and clarity. The drone's camera is not just about pixels, it's about providing a comprehensive view with its wide-angle lens. With a maximum height reach of 6,000 meters, the E88 4K drone allows users to explore the skies and capture breathtaking aerial perspectives. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a content creator, or someone looking for a fun and innovative toy, this drone offers a versatile and enjoyable experience.